Mercedes alarms commonly malfunction due to three main issues: bonnet switch, interior sensor, or battery problems. Start by checking the bonnet switch for corrosion or loose connections. Use a multimeter to test for continuity. It should read 0 ohms when closed. Next, consider the interior sensor, which can be triggered by movement or wind. Try resetting it via the car's central locking system. Finally, assess your battery, ensuring it holds a charge of 12.6 volts or higher. Low voltage or parasitic drains often trigger false alarms. In electric models like the EQS, check the 48 volts auxiliary battery. For bonnet switch issues, start by cleaning the contacts or replacing the switch. Parts typically cost between $50 and $100. For interior sensor problems, reset the system or use a diagnostic scanner to recalibrate. Replacement sensors range from $200 to $500. For battery-related alarm issues, replace the battery if needed and check for parasitic drains. Disconnect the battery for 10 to 15 minutes to reset the system. Use an OBD2 scanner to read fault codes and diagnose the exact problem with your alarm system. If issues continue or your vehicle is under warranty, seek professional help. Tampering with the system can void your warranty. Newer models offer advanced diagnostics and over-the-air updates through the Mercedes Me app to fix false alarms without a mechanic.